At this point, our front end is running on 4200 here, and our backend is running on localhost 8000. But we cannot access the APIs because it's throwing CORS error. So to resolve it, we have to go to backend and we have to install a package to ignore the CORS error. Let's create another terminal. Now we will go inside virtual environment shell, and then we will install the package. CORS headers. Now let's add the package in downloaded package, which is CORS headers. And allowed host will be star. Star mean anyone can access the API. Let's also add the middleware provided by CORS header package. Now after allowed host, we have to also mention CORS origin, allow all true. And now if we visit our front end and refresh the page, yeah, now you can see we are getting the data from the backend. See?